Now that we have a good understanding of keyboard shortcuts and the S key being our shortcut bar, let's go ahead and customize this and figure out how we can make this work better for us. Now, by default, SolidWorks puts a few things on here. You notice that under Extruded Boss Base, there's a down arrow that allows us to get to all of the tools on the first section of our Features tab. That's Revolve, Sweep, Loft, and Boundary. In the second section, we can get to all of the cut tools. In the third section, we can get to fillets and chamfers. Then we can get to creating planes and other reference geometry. And then we have the whole wizard option. Now, if we want to add things to this, we can simply right-click in an area and customize it. Now, this automatically brings us into the Customize menu where we made our keyboard shortcuts. But you'll notice that now we're in the Shortcut Bars section. You'll notice that we have a drop-down to look at tools in different toolbars. For instance, right now we have the flyout toolbars. But let's say that we wanted something specific. For instance, in Tools, we want to add the Measure tools. We simply drag it on here. We can add mask properties and place it anywhere on here that we need. So this is a great way to customize our shortcuts for our part environment, for our assembly environment, for drawings, and for sketches. Now, as I mentioned before, I use a 3D mouse and I have one of my keys mapped to show this shortcut toolbar. So let's go ahead and hit OK. And when I hit the key on my 3D mouse, it brings up this toolbar just as if I was hitting the S key. So this is a great way to access things like mask properties, to access other tools like the Measure tool if we want to figure out the surface area of the shape, or if we want to do different things like measure from this point to this point. We have those options quickly at our fingertips. Now, as you start to use SolidWorks more and more, there'll be several tools that you figure that you need more often. And those you're going to probably want to put on that shortcut toolbar. It's going to be quick and easy for you to do now because you understand how to customize it.